Same type of example, only the thing is that x cube is multiplying with mod of x. Minus 1 to 2 x cube with mod of x dx. Now again what we are having, mod of x is equal to x if x is greater than equal to 0 and negative of f if x is less than 0. So now minus 1 to 2 x cube mod of x dx, this can be written as now minus 1 to 0 x cube mod of x dx plus 0 to 2 x cube mod of x dx. Minus 1 to 0 negative of x raised to power 4 dx plus 0 to 2 x raised to power 4 dx. Now this becomes negative of x raised to power 5 upon 5 from minus 1 to 0 plus x raised to power 5 upon 5 0 to 2. Now minus, this becomes minus 1 upon 5 plus this becomes now 2 raised to power 5 upon 5. This is equal to 1 upon 5 plus 32 upon 5. 37 upon 5 answer.